Hi friends, during Ganesh Chaturthi or any other pujas, different varieties of prasadas or holy food is prepared. Today I am going to show you a simple recipe which can be prepared with just few ingredients, that is called Panchakajjaya. Before checking the recipe, if you are new to the channel, do click on the subscribe button below and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Let's check the recipe now. To prepare Panchakajjaya, I am using 250 grams of brown chana, 100 grams of green gram, 50 grams of sesame seeds, half coconut grated, 250 grams of jaggery, adjust this based on preference, and half teaspoon of cardamom powder. First I have dry roasted chana. Roast this until color changes and turns aromatic, and then remove to a plate and let it cool down. Next dry roast green gram until color changes to slightly brown, followed by sesame seeds. Once it turns aromatic, turn off the gas. Then I have powdered chana followed by green gram. Now to a vessel, I am adding coconut, jaggery, cardamom powder and mixing it. To this I am adding chana powder, green gram powder and sesame seeds, and now mix this nicely. The roasting and powdering part can be done even the before day, and then the mix can be prepared on the day it is needed. Now our simple yet tasty Panchakajjaya is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Bye.